country 'tis for thee. I'll fight for liberty to keep us strong. When power is shared by you, not just a chosen few, we know what we must do to right the wrongs. Don't take for granted seeds that were planted centuries ago. Seeds of democracy, nurtured with honesty, become our liberty when we share the load. My country, I love thee. Long may thy flag fly free. For you I stand. But I don't appreciate pride that is based on hate. Diversity can make us great all across this land. This world may never be completely trouble-free, and yet we cling. Let us who share this place do so with strength and grace. We are one human race, of thee I sing. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land